So we're now going to create a table visual. So we go over to Report View, click that. This is our canvas here. And we click on the table icon. So that's our table here. Just make that bit bigger on the view here. So click View and Actual Size. And I just hide these panes for the moment. And I'll widen that as well. So we want to add in the year and the month first. So click here, coming from the date table. Then we have a month. Okay. Then we'll put in our 4 measures. So the first one was total sales. That's it here. The next time was previous month. Then we have the change, monthly change. And then we have the percent, change percentage, month over month. So we'll just do some conditional formatting first. So go into format here. We're going to do the conditional formatting. I'm going to do it on the change field or column, monthly change one. Background color. And we're going to advanced controls on that. And based on a rule here, we're going to set the rules. If the value is less than 0, then we want it a red color. So they're the months that decrease from their previous month. So that's okay. Press OK on that. So now the negative ones are red here on the change column. So there's quite a few reds here. So those sales figures decline from their previous months. So the way the visual is working is that it's dynamic, that the measures, even though, say for example in total sales it was just the one formula, one measure, there's different answers or results out based on the filters here. For example on this one, the year of 2011 and a month of October, these are the sales for that month. And it's similarly calculated going across here that the filters are, on that case, October 2011.